Hello guys, today we'll be solving Zoho asked problems. The first question, today we can start with first question. The question states that minimum time to distribute chocolates. So the statement is you are given a n chocolates with and n friends. The goal is to distribute chocolates equally among your friends such that every friend receives at least one chocolate and you can perform two operations, create one chocolate in 1 second and destroy one chocolate in 1 second. We have to find the minimum number of seconds required to chocolate that can be evenly distributed among all friends. So first of all, let us understand the questions that uh, you have n chocolates and n friends. In some cases, like we have like five chocolates and we have 10 friends. So in this case, the number of friends is greater than number of chocolates. So we have to return in this case m minus n because we have to distribute minimum one chocolate per person. So we have to create the number of chocolates required to every person. So that in the case that m greater than n, we have to return m minus n. So in this case, we have to do like this. So in second cases where n is greater than equal to m. So in this case, for example, we have n six chocolates and sorry, we have six chocolates and let us assume we have only two friends. So in this case, we can return n mod m which is equal to 0. We don't need to create or destroy any chocolates. We can evenly distribute them among two friends, like three per person. So in some of in other cases, let us assume we have 15 chocolates and we have four friends. In this case, n mod n is m is 3, but in other case we can destroy three chocolates to get equals. But in order this not minimum in because we can get one chocolate which is makes 16 and 16 divided by 4 mod is 0. So we can get one chocolate which takes less number of time. So in this case, n mod m doesn't work. For this case, we have to use like m minus n mod m. So which is equal to m is equal to 4 and n mod m is 3. So equal to 1. So this is how this code works. This code is actually easy one only. We can solve if we found out the logic. So this code works under these three cases. Let me code it so you guys will understand. Let me do this code in separate functions. So first of all, we receive the chocolates. So in the first case, we have to check the number of friends is greater than or equal to chocolate. So if friends greater than chocolates, we have to return yes. So in other cases, we have to find the minimum of n mod m and m friends minus n mod m. Let me code it. So let us find the remainder separately, so it will be useful. So we have to return the minimum of n modulus and modulus minus friends. So this code works perfectly. Let me call the function. So first of all, I check for 10 chocolates and 5 friends. So we made some error. Okay, it should work now. Yes. We don't have to create any socket, so it returns 0. So we shall we check the corner cases like 5, comma, okay, 5. Yes, one, it works perfectly. And also, like, one, yeah, one chocolate and 5 friends. In this case, yes, this code works perfectly. So in Zoho, we have to, like, we should not use like built-in functions like map document. So we can rewrite this as yes, yes. We can avoid using like this built-in functions. Maximum try to avoid this built-in functions because Zoho wouldn't like it. Yes, it works perfectly. Yeah, this is the answer. Thank you guys. Subscribe for more Zoho as question.